Hey, what's going on, guys? Razor64 here today, and welcome to Game 12, my Futureball Airsoft gameplay. In this session, we're going to be having multiple perspectives. As you can see, that is me right there, you just saw, and we're on Gabe's POV. We got two GoPros now, so two people can be wearing them at the same time, and we'll be altering perspectives. There I am right now, walking behind Angelo. But, let me know what you guys think of the two perspective editing and everything. It's a little more difficult, but more time consuming, but I feel like it's a lot more worth it, and it's a lot more fun for you guys. But let me know what you guys think. And also, at Hell Survivors this coming weekend, I will be having the GoPro on my gun, so it'll be facing at me, and then I'll have my head one. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy some team deathmatch, and let me know what you guys think. Enjoy. Am I good?
Yeah, you're fine.
Oh, sweet, thanks, man.
We'll get the magazine. Oh,
Yep. He does. Hit.
Angelo! Okay, is he still up? Yeah. You see anybody? Okay. Where's he at? To the right? Okay. Hit!
Did you get hit in the hand?
Right in the thumb. Pretty good.
Fuck.
Ben. I'm gonna start right here. Hitting this cover.
Alright, here we go. In 3, 2.
Extra down.
Are you fucking serious? Yeah, my battery's fucking dead.
Oh, fuck, behind you.
Where at?
Fuck.
Let me know when he gets close, because I can't fucking shoot anything, so. I'm fucked, I can't shoot anything. My battery's dead.
You need my pistol? I only have a couple shots in it.
I'm gonna fucking come to you.
X-ray down.
Watch your right! Watch your right! No, wait! Look left! Watch left!
Hit!
Yeah.
If there's Chris, we're screwed.
Oh fuck, my knee pad
Hey,
falling.
where's him?
My knee pad fell hardcore. Angelo, who's left?
I got Chris to my 12. Chase in that back corner on right side.
Back corner, right side, chases.
Yeah.
Somebody's up over there. He's got his head out.
Yeah, I see him. Middle back, hey!
Oh, Jesus, yeah. They're shooting over here now.
Are you out of ammo?
No, my fucking battery died. I'm good on this though. Fucking tortoise. Thanks, guy. Is he?
Who's just dead? Okay, we're definitely.
Who's left? Just Chase?
One guy center right there. Oh, I see him.
I'm gonna be a cheater
And
and
there's
look
one-
through the crack.
Actually, looking through the cracks is not cheating. You just can't shoot through them.
Where at? Hey, Angelo! Angelo, look at me.
Oh, fuck!
Right there. Right there.
Shit.
All the way in the back. He's got his head up, but I can't
No.
hit him. I've only got a pistol.
I'm out of ammo.
Don't worry about your back. I got you.
I can't do shit.
Fuck it. I'm gonna go up in there and figure out where he's at. Alright. You ready to cover me?
I can't. I don't have any ammo.
Oh, he doesn't have any ammo. Angelo, cover me real quick. I'm gonna move up.
Back corner.
Where at?
That back corner.
Back right corner?
Dead. He's dead.
Okay, nice.
I think Card left is dead.
Is that everybody? Yeah. Good shit, dude.
Alrighty, guys. Well, that is gonna wrap up game number 12 of my Futureball gameplay. Hope you guys enjoyed the multiple perspectives. Please let me know what you guys think of that. We will definitely do more if you guys really like it. And we got some good kills. This is the first game of the third session. Again, please, guys, let me know what you guys think of the multiple perspectives. It's actually, for me, it's pretty cool seeing what I look like running down the field and shooting some people. Since I don't know what the hell I look like when I'm actually doing that. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please hit that thumbs up button. If you guys are brand new, go ahead and subscribe too. And we will see you guys tomorrow in game 13. Hope you guys enjoyed.